In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to really help you on the SAT. And this was a problem posted by a mom on a Facebook message board. Daughter needed help with this problem. And it was the equation of a circle. And the traditional method would be to complete the square to figure out what the radius is. But we can easily do this on Desmos. So we have the equation x squared plus x plus y squared plus y, and then it was equal to 199 divided by 2, and we can just simply put that in, and we can see our radius of our circle here is 10. So now look how much time that saved on the SAT. So the traditional method would be completing the square here, getting into the standard form of a circle, and then being able to see the radius. But with the access to Desmos, we can just bypass that now and save a lot of time. Okay, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.